this is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and today I'm going to do a copycat recipe. I'm going to do a copycat recipe from Olive Garden. It's Zuppa Toscana soup. Oh my gosh, we love this, and it is so easy to make. Alright, so what I've got right now, this is the first thing that I'm doing. I've got bacon in my Dutch oven. It's an 8-quart Dutch oven. I think it's Tramontina, something like that. And I love this Dutch oven. It's really heavy, but it stands up to everything. Alright, so I'm browning my bacon. I'm going to get it nice and crispy. And when that's done, I'm going to put it on a paper plate with some paper towels to drain the grease off of it. And then I'll bring you back after that. Okay, I'm back. Alright, now I get this. I've got 2 of these because I'm making a really big pot of the soup. But I've got 2 packs of these. This is 5 sausages. 3 of them are sweet Italian and 2 of them are hot sausage. Hot Italian sausage. And I'm going to show you, for those of you that don't know, because I was right old before I knew how to do this. This has a skin on it. And you can just see it was tied right there. Alright, you just take your knife. I hope you can see that. Take your knife, go down, and you should be able to see there the skin. And you just peel the skin off. Let me get it. See, the skin is on there, and you don't want to cook that skin with this. You just want the meat, and I'm going to put it in my Dutch oven. Alright, and I'll show you one more time. You take your knife, you start at the top, just go down, open that skin, and then you just pull the skin off. And I'm having a hard time getting it off. Of this one. Alright, see, just pull it right off. And then break it up. And cook it. And then, I'm not sure how much grease will be left. I'll probably drain off some of the grease in here. But I'll bring you back in just a second. Okay, I'm back. I wanted to show you the sausage in my Dutch oven. And I just fried the bacon pieces. And I didn't drain the grease or whatever out of here. I just left it in here. And I'm cooking the sausage in here in the bacon grease. Because who doesn't like the taste of bacon? So, the next thing that I've got to do is I have these potatoes here, and I've got 10 of these. These are pretty small. They may look big here, but they're pretty small. And I've got to slice these. I'm not peeling them. They've been washed. And now I've got to slice them into thin slices. And when the sausage gets ready, I'll take that out and put that in another bowl, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, the sausage is done. I took out about 1/3 of this and put it in. I'm going to make lasagna with it. Alright, now right here in this bowl, I have 1 large onion diced up, and I've got 6 potatoes. Let me show you. Sliced into slices just like this, pretty thin. I went on and used, I had 10, but I didn't use but 6 of them. And I'm supposed to cook my onions. I saute my onions, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go on now and let's see. I'm going to start this on medium, start it back on medium. I've got 2 cans of chicken broth that I'm going to put in here. And these are Swanson 14.5 ounces of chicken broth. And then I'm going to put quite much more. Yeah, I'm going to put about 4 more cups of water. I'll bring you back when I get it in here. Okay, I put 2 more cans, right? 4 cans. 4 more cans of the water along with the chicken broth, and I put probably a tablespoon of this chicken soup base. That was all I had left of that. Alright, and I'm going to go on and put this on sear, put my New Wave on sear, and I'm going to go on and put in the potatoes and the onions in here. And I'm going to let these cook. I'm going to put a teaspoon of garlic. You can put how much garlic you want in it. But y'all, if y'all watch my videos, you know I don't like garlic. I'm going to put a teaspoon of garlic in here, minced garlic. I'm going to put a tablespoon of kosher salt and a half a tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper. And I'm going to let this cook for about 20 minutes and see if it's done then, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I just wanted to bring you back and tell you that I put in about 1/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I didn't put very much more in there because I've got almost a half a tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper. So I'm going to let this cook and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, this has been in here for about 20 minutes, and I've broken up the potatoes some, and now I've got a bag of kale, and I'm going to put that in here now and just let it come wilt, and just let it, ow, that was good, Debbie. Put my hand down in the water.
Okay, let's take a look at the screen before we move on.
My Bixby just came on for some reason on my phone. Alright, so I'm going to go on and get out this kale in here and let it wilt, and I'll bring you back with the last step in just a little while. Okay, I'm back. Alright, this is the last step in the soup. I've got heavy whipping cream here. I've got a pint. I'm going to put in probably about half of this. It's the last step. This makes it creamy. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I may have too much kale in here, but that's okay. I love kale. And kale is so good for you. So I'm going to let this, I think I'll put a little bit more in here. Yeah. The creamier the better. Alright, so I'm going to put the top on this, and I'm just going to let this sit here and cook for a few minutes, and then I'm going to cut it off. And I'm just, since this is the cast iron, I'm just going to let this kale wilt down some more, and I'll bring you back when I get ready to eat some. Okay, everyone, I almost forgot to bring you back. I was so excited about having this Zuppa Toscana soup that I was just eating away. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I just love this soup. I could eat this once a week. It is so good. This has got, I put right much kale in it, but I love kale in this soup. It is so good. Alright, here it is. You can see it's got the potatoes and the sausage and the kale and the onions are in here, and the recipe will be in the description box below along with the ingredients. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, to your family, your friends. And also below there'll be links to my food prepping Facebook page. There will be links to my Twitter, to Zacon Farm Fresh Meats, where you can go to their website and see if they come to your area. And also there'll be different kitchen products that below that you can purchase at Amazon. So give this a try. This is so good. It is just so good. We love this soup. And Caden even likes it. So I will talk to you later. You have a good day. Bye.